Wondered how your cells turn food into energy? Today, we're breaking down cellular respiration, the process that keeps every cell alive working. What is cellular respiration? Cellular respiration is how cells convert glucose, a simple sugar, into ATP, which is the main energy source that powers your body's activities. It's how cells stay alive, grow, and function. The whole process follows this equation. Glucose plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide, water, and ATP. It's basically turning fuel into energy or releasing waste. Most of this magic happens inside the mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell. But the very first step actually happens in the cytoplasm. First, glycolysis. It takes place in the cytoplasm and breaks one glucose into two pyruvate molecules. This step produces 2 ATP and 2 NADH. And fun fact, it doesn't need oxygen. Next is the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. It happens in the mitochondria. The pyruvate is modified into acetyl-CoA, then enters the cycle. Carbon dioxide is released and we get more NADH, FADH2, and a little ATP. Finally, the electron transport change. All those electron carriers from early drop-off electrons. This powers the proton pump that creates a gradient. ATP synthase uses that to make lots of ATP, about 28 to 32 molecules. Oxygen is essential here. It accepts the electrons at the end, forming water. Without oxygen, the whole system shuts down. Altogether, one glucose molecule can make up to 36 to 38 ATP. That's a lot of energy from one sugar molecule. But if there's no oxygen, cells do anaerobic respiration. It's less efficient, only 2 ATP, and creates lactic acid, which is why muscles get sore when you exercise hard. Cellular respiration gives our cells energy so we can live, move, and think. So, to sum it up, cellular respiration is the process of breaking down glucose to make ATP. It happens in steps: glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and the electron transport change, and powers every cell in our body.